Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I am showing you our Subaru Outback. Very nice rig, come out of Phoenix, Arizona. One little scuff right here and right here. The fender, instead of running that clear film here, they did the whole hood and the whole fender so you don't got a line. So really good. The rest of it's just in excellent shape. One little scratch right there. Beautiful interior. Nice little miles, 71,000 miles. Equipped very well. Sunroof, eyesight, Harman Kardon, memory seats, of course leather, heated and cooled up front, heated in the back. So just a really nice Subaru. Touring XT. Floor mats, so new tires. We put new tires on it, so pretty much all ready to go. So if you're looking for a really nice Outback, got a great shine to it. Comes with warranty, 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty, comprehensive, so great coverage. We stand behind our stuff, and a nice southern Subaru. 605-692-7010.